TikTok marketing success stories. Chipotle. Chipotle is a very popular chain of Mexican restaurants. Objective. The objective of this restaurant chain is that its customers are interested in the dishes they present. Strategy. They used the TikTok app in the guacamole song, which was a very fun way to turn a popular song into a video that showed the menu items in a very creative way. This video caused a guac dance viral challenge that in a week became the highest performing brand challenge. Results? At the time of taking this screenshot, the video has over 164,000 likes, 2,914 comments, and over 19,900 shares. NBA. NBA is an account that combines the best moments of the game with musical montages and quotes that inspire. Objective. Among its objectives was to use the musical characteristics to make the brand less heavy and make the athletes look more identifiable. Strategy. The NBA makes occasional motivational publications like this one, where basketball player R.J. Barrett talks about his recruitment by the New York Knicks. Results? At the time of taking this screenshot, the video had 9,000 likes, 40 comments, and 42 shares. United Nations IFAD. IFAD is the United Nations International Fund for Agricultural Development. Objective. Their objective is to fight against hunger in the world through the promotion of rural agriculture. Strategy? IFAD has taken an approach that includes informative publications and motivational videos that encourage the observer to change the world. IFAD used its creativity and launched the Dance for Change Challenge as part of it. The organization wanted people to be filmed dancing while using the hashtag #DanceForChange in the subtitles. Results? At the time of taking this screenshot, the video has 81,500 likes, 1,133 comments, and 1,820 shares. The Washington Post. The Washington Post is a newspaper but operates very differently on TikTok. This newspaper uses their account to publish funny videos behind the scenes and parodies about their writing. Objective. Its objective is to show a lighter side of the news and a more relaxed view of its journalists in the videos to attract a younger audience. Strategy. They create videos where they will show their journalists in a more relaxed and funny way. Results? So far, the video has over 3,000 likes, 37 comments, and 147 shares. Guess. Guess was founded in 1981 by the Marciano brothers and is a complete range of clothing and accessories worldwide. It was the first clothing brand to launch a challenge on TikTok. Objective. Guess launched a challenge on TikTok in order to encourage its users to film in attractive places while using the new Guess denim line. Strategy? The strategy that Guess used was to make a video that directly showed the clothes worn by real people. Results? 13,900 likes, 72 comments, and 95 shares. San Diego Zoo. The San Diego Zoo is one of the most important zoos in the United States and the world. It was created in 1915 and has about 4,000 animals and more than 800 different species. The TikTok account of the San Diego Zoo takes advantage of the fact that everyone loves animals and encourages them to protect them. Objective. The objective of this zoo is to protect the animal species and especially those that are in extinction. Strategy. The zoo uses a very simple strategy to publish videos of cute animals using fun music. Results? 4,101 likes, 30 comments, and 95 shares. NBCs Stay Tuned. Stay Tuned was originally a Snapchat news program which was produced by NBC and directed to Gen Z. After it succeeded on this platform, the network began creating content for TikTok. Objective. Create lightweight content that looks more interesting for young people who use the application. Strategy. They create specific content for different platforms. Results? 2,989 likes, 149 comments, and 28 shares. Michael Fifak. Michael is a blogger and food enthusiast based in the city of Los Angeles. Objective. Michael's goal is to offer attractive images of divine restaurants from a variety of places. Strategy: he showed the preparation of a Thai tea monster milkshake in a video at Cafe 86 and used the paid promotion label from Instagram. Michael promoted the TikTok application and the Savor the Flavor contest in the subtitle labeling TikTok, Cafe 86, and other food-loving friends. Results? The publication managed to obtain 122,062 visits, 5,744 likes, and 40 comments. Its participation rate was 2.02%. John Cannell, known as Preppy Kitchen, is a father of food bloggers in Los Angeles. Cannell has 4,600 fans on TikTok and 781,000 followers on Instagram. Objective: promote TikTok with your contest Savor the Flavor. Strategy: in the application TikTok, I film a chocolate cake covered with butter and ganache. Well, in his conversational legend, he promoted TikTok as his contest Savor the Flavor. Results? It reached 439,628 visits, 15,937 likes, and 198 comments, and a 2.07% engagement rate. Chelsea White. Chelsea calls herself Cake Content Creator and offers novel dessert recipes from her home in New York. Objective: gain popularity by showing baked goods that are visually stunning. Strategy: she made a 3-layer cake and challenged fellow food lovers to participate in the Savor the Flavor contest on TikTok. Results? With its publication achieving 212,690 visits, 8,765 likes, and 32 comments, and an engagement rate of 1.15%.